You subscribe yet?
Hi, Booby. You ain't got nothing here to tell me. Yeah, I just come back. I just come back in, man. Remember the tell us I go up on the road a little bit? Yeah, I just come back in. And when I come back in, I realized that you was not there. So, which way you gone? Which way you gone? Where you gone up on your mother for, Booby? What you talking about? Cheese and peas. Booby, hold on there, man. Hold on there. Booby, so you still vexed about this Bobby situation? But Booby, me talk to you, me tell you, me don't need tell you, me did tell him. Booby, me rush him, me not tell him. Booby, I swear to you, me believe you, of course. Yes, me believe you. No, why would you say that, Booby? No, but Booby, him say I just misunderstanding the other side, I never really bust in your head, Because I took up a breadfruit for lick him, But because he says a misunderstanding, the other side, I never bother lick him. No, but Booby, I don't want to get in no trouble. But me believe you, of course me believe you, but me tell him say, don't come back on me yard. And no joke, Booby. What? No, man. No, Booby, you can't go. You can't do that. Booby, me need you. Booby, you can't come out of the house. No, Booby, you can't do. Jesus and peace. Me believe, I swear to God, me believe you. What you want me to do? Anything you want me to do right now, me do it. You want me to go for him? Me I go call him. Yeah, man. Alright, you want me to go do, Booby? I go call him. I'm going to put him on face call. And make it system me did body him up. And make it system me did talk to him. Me did tell him, me say him not to do it. And me tell him not to do it, man, because he can't come violate my woman like that. Me say it to him, Booby. Alright. Yeah. So calm down. Because I want you back in your yard, Booby. Me can't do without you. You want me to do? I go call him upon you right now. And I go call him. I'm going to call him right now. Alright? Right now. Cheese and peace. What is so, Father God? Oh, Bobby, come get me now, man. Bob! You've reached the voice mailbox. If I write number this. Man, phone lock off. You know what? I never not hesitate. I'm going to go down there right now. Yeah, man, the house hard. Yo, Bobby! How up? What? Come on, man.
You remember man left me in my youth. What can I notice? Yo, hold on. Me need to call her. Hold on, I need to call her right now. You need to fix this, you know? You have to fix this, you know? What you mean by you? You mash up a relationship, my youth. You make me left my youth. You make me go to the yard and the whole I close them gone. You know, all you know what you say? Yo, Bobby, you rest of the man. Don't move enough, don't move, cause you have to go talk to her. Talk to her for what, Briscoe? I talk to her for what? You must say don't move, big man. That's what I call her. You serious? Briscoe? Call me. What? You never gonna? You must say don't move, Bobby. Hold on to my youth. See, be careful, get that shit now. And yo, you rest of my youth. You mash up a relationship. And we don't know what you are going to do, you know, but you have to go fix it. Briscoe, me say. Just have to go fix. Oh, me fix your relationship. You one thing. Your woman deaf. Father here, we are talking about Briscoe. Let me go to Briscoe. Big man. You're messing up my youth. You know, because of you, my woman left me, you know. What do you mean by that? Me no business. What do you mean by you no business? Me come to sell out banana. Banana. And the woman says she don't want a banana. Me left the place. Look here, no big man. Yo, Briscoe. You messing up? Yeah. Where you go? Where me say me go? You messing up? Don't let me yard, you know. You hear me say no? Don't let me yard, because you have to come fix this. And he say, if me ever come back here and see you, you know what going to mean at this blouse and skirt. Yeah. No, but we can't call my boy. It's got two. Your woman sick and you sick. I sick head over there. Me not feel left me yard. Me go for them, we go send them jelly. You know what deal? Right back here by some of the case.
Babes, where are you? Cause me just a little while ago call the phone and I can't get you. And from when me I try call the phone, I'm not get you. Where are you? Me can't get you. Yeah, but you must get lunchtime or sit and see me call and can call me back. The money vibes that I can't take it no more. The money vibes that I can't. Yeah, but me give you me have on the like say all the time me not rich. Me give you me have. You know say anytime me call you all but then cuss me and tell you how me feel. If you call me and can't get me, you know, me the way you don't go on, you know. Yo, alright, yo, yeah, look at more. Somebody calling me. Look at me. Look at more.
Damn ya! This is the best kind of jelly you can get right now.
Brother, you see this look like a from last year, you jump off a tree and you pick it up. I stand blow you walk and pick it up.
No, man, bro, you know, say my trees that come off. This morning, me pick them. Anyway, you know, say this morning.
So where the walk and give them?
Give over. I said, yeah, come on, man. Yo, how many get this, Mr. Brother?
Hold on. You know, so me here say, I don't want to friend of you by still. But you know, so me here say, I'm going to bag of things.
What mean bag of things?
See, I walk and borrow people money and buy things at go shop.
What kind of rumor that you are here? Who don't tell you that at, you know, in a dinner time?
So you're not borrowing no money?
Me not say me not borrow no money.
You're not gonna go shop.
Me not say me wouldn't go. What so where really are you?
You're not say a liar, you're not admitting, you're not denying.
No, me not say it is not a possibility of such, but it's not something where it's like a priority for me. And don't tell you that. I bet you Briscoe tell you that. You know, so Briscoe come check me earlier when I come back there, but say me can't call the house. Don't let me out because we mash up in relationship.
Alright. You know what? You all want one with just want to know something. Here I think I say it to you, I don't want to buy.
Me ask you a question. So you never buy it?
Yeah. You see, me I say one thing to you and you are trying to mix me up.
I don't mix me up. No, but you have set me up like say me is the worst.
Well, I don't mean not tell lie for you, I tell you what me fear say.
But I won't put that I mix that in the show.
Yo, me not mix up with that.
I don't look at Bush tell you.
Listen, man, me not call about the name, dog. You me tell me not mix up. Me not mix you up. I'm not mix up nobody. Me not call about the name.
Ah, wrong cup. You mess around. This a jelly. You won't start with you. If you not buy it, just lend me money and me give up on next time.
It's the same thing I talk about.
You mean same thing? I just
maybe go check somebody else, man. Maybe we get this deal. Cause people love jelly, you know. But yeah, maybe we get this deal. Maybe I get this deal.
First thing you insult me, say me I go shop. Then you insult
me. Me never tell us I go shop. Brother, me never tell us. Me tell you something. Me tell us me hearsay.
Alright, Ronco. Have a wonderful day, yeah?
Yeah, man. Link somebody else.
Ronco, say what I want.
Yeah, my girlfriend, I want.
Your girlfriend?
Wow, you feel like that, man.
Last time. You got yourself, yeah?
Yeah, man. Why you so far? Come close, someone. Yeah, me know my want. What's on like? Yeah, me nothing.
What made him feel? I was coming to put on camera. What kind of coolness? We just asked him to know him. You know him?
Yeah, me know my want.
You ain't tell him.
When man tell me say something I don't like it, you want no sound, you know, man. You want no sound right now.
Oh, Mr.
You man sell coconut, you don't tell me nothing.
Oh, coconut is okay. Okay. No, if a coconut that's orange. So that's coconut. You long time for the new long time?
Yo, what's the concern, bro?
Oh,
You want him?
No, you see me in place already.
Yo, just stop asking about people. Yeah.
So yeah, but
You upset for even me call up on your phone and know you have to upset your man.
yeah, me talk about that. But you can't know me there with that.
Yo, me know you have to switch argument.
And then you switch it like how we switch it, we see up on topic. Why you can't know me there word?
Come on, call him.
So you can't know me there word. You can't call me there word.
Alright, you know what? Yo, low off for that. I'm ready for that, man. Come back.
Come with me, no man, and stop a foolishness. You see a tie up.
Bobby!
How are you there?
What you mean what me are there?
You don't see what me I do? What I'm to you?
What you mean what me are there? Me come for money.
What?
Money
Hold
me
on.
come for.
Hold on. Stand there, so I have to come chat to you. Start me. What's the deal? Come for which money?
What you mean come for which money? After me come and call you now you over there so with goat. You have money to buy a goat but you don't have money to give me door.
Listen to me. That goat over there is an investment. You are not an investment. You are only a liability. Everything me have to give you and you don't benefit me. And you don't believe in them like the next thing. You come here every day, you want money. Me don't tell you, say, don't come back down here. Come take out the rest of your things them and just take them go on.
Shut your mouth. That's an investment that can make you feel good, That a sleep with you at night time, Look how much night me make you feel ball out in the house and I say, Jesus like you go dead in there,
Mary, you forget, see, 3 weeks now, you make me feel good. 3 weeks. And you're going to talk about money, this and that.
You forgot you never give me no money? So I eat me cannot get no feel good.
So what going to happen now? You come for money, so you give you money and make me feel good? Is that go on?
So come then now. Come give me money and me make you feel good.
Me
That
no
me
money, I know
want.
that's a problem.
So I'm not about
Mary,
dear God.
listen, Mary. Me no think it's a work out, you know. Me no feel say this is going to work out between me and you because I guess I know. You know, in me, for me, If me not have money, me can't get nothing. And I am a woman. Me not think you take me as a real person. You understand me? I say?
Stop chat foolishness. Sell the investment and make and get money and you can't give me money so me can't give you a little loving.
It's a straight business, this. Eh? You're worse than girl up on the road.
But yeah. This needs soap and water, you know, to wash, you know. I buy me if you buy soap, you know, and I pay me if you pay for water, you know. I want to this money, yeah.
Alright, you are going to marry. You see, since that this you take it. You take time, you see when you come in. I don't know if you want to retrace your steps and go back where you come from, or you want to turn your front and come out. But in now, what between me and you? So just understand, say, this is it. No come back to my yard. No beg me no money. Consider yourself by yourself. Take time, go on. Go.
It's alright. Me will find somebody else to give me what I want. You don't want to give me what I want? Go on with the investment, your investment.
Yeah, trickster, you know. So, me not depend that.
Go
Whole
along where
hurricane.
you go, you're not good somebody. You're dirty man. Me don't know what me that do with you from the first. Go away!
Yeah, man, show your true
dirty
colors.
man, you.
Whole hurricane, me not get none of. And you want to come arrive when light come back.
I
Take
think I
yourself.
got mad, you.
Bobby. Boy, me call the phone, Bridget, and you reject your call them, you know. That you do, you know, youth. Wagwan.
You know, say you're part of the problem.
With
As
what
a
now?
bigger brother. Hold on there. See people just a call me now. Hello. Me soon carry the fruits them come. Here? Soon carry the fruits them. So give me 5 minutes and me carry the fruits and come deliver, ma'am. Alright? Alright, ma'am. Cool. All them people are
Deliver
calling.
fruits.
What do you mean?
Anyway, back to what me there say. Where you reject your call them for, Bridget?
Brother. You know say you are part of the problem. I don't even know that.
What happened now?
What mean say what happened now? You know defend me in the office. Why you think me left the office? Eh?
Defend your how?
What you mean say defend me how? Because basically what I do is try to play me and to me for fool. So me just say to myself, say, me I go just try a little thing and farming is the first thing come to my mind. You understand me? I say, oh you vexing me a farm?
Me not vex say you farm, but you farm the fool like yourself. What you know about farming? Eh? It a work out for you? Answer me. You farming a work out for you, Bridget?
Not really. But
Alright.
you can buy one little 6 dozen egg and
On top of foolishness, yeah, man. And if you put everything aside and come back and come work, man, and do something decent and solid. What you do a foolishness? You don't have nothing have much knowledge about selling and all this. Talking about selling anyway. Me say you're number one buyer.
Yeah, buyer.
Alright. Me hear tree grapevine, you know. Say this is the thing where you pick up, say you sell fruits and all them things there. All of your money and everything I go back in a year bank. All you have it I buy front. You think me not hear?
Who tell you that?
You don't have to tell me who tell me, Bridget.
Me don't want you in my business, you know, that me I tell you,
Well, listen to me. If your business ever there road, money here,
Listen to me. Alright, where you really coming from? Because you mash up my day. Me have to go deliver the fruits to you, man. Just call me a while ago.
Man,
Where you up to?
forget boy fruits. I tell you, if you come back at your place, come back at work. And that's how you know, and that's how you used to strive and make things. I don't know kind of fool thing you're content about. I come tell us boy, yo, just come back, man, and stop going the foolishness, man. Foolishness you're going with. That make no sense, man. That is non-progressive.
Do you know about pressure?
Me know about pressure, Bridget. Me a younger brother, me a older brother. I will let me go through in a youth. You talk about pressure. How are you, man?
The pressure what them put me through, pressure bus pipe, you know, if you know that.
And a pipe alone, Brid. Pressure bus a whole heap of things. Listen to me, man. Just cut out the foolishness. Come back. Zane? Come back. Come in your sense, man. Come back. Zane? Alright, big man?
Me think about it for some of the kids, but
I
if
think, man.
If you do forward, you have to go raise my pay, you know, that me I tell you, you know.
Well,
I don't want advance right away.
That way you make demands fast. Don't worry about that, man. Just come back in our place, boss. Zane, the chance me I give you. Now you need it. And anyway, you need to go do something about that now, because them little ear bank thing and all them sitting there still, you know. Boy, I tell you, say, yes, you say, whole lot of money go.
So what if it's my choice?
I don't say your choice, but it's a stupid choice.
Yeah, because you can't trust woman at them time now. But you can trust the go them. Because them they work.
Let me ask you, wait. Let me tell you something.
You see all them money that we have spent, Zane, this might sound a waste still, but it's unnecessary. Because all the next morning when you get up, you cannot get the same feeling where you get the night before, all the money gone and everything. When you make sense, it proves nothing.
Listen to
All
me.
them women, it not prove nothing.
Why you think me run me out of the house? Eh? When you give me her $5,000, she said she alright. And then tomorrow she has some bills and she want to do her hair and all these things. Eh? So that's why me choose a life that I want. Leave, just left that. If me do forward come and work, you don't worry about my personal life. It's not like me do it every night.
Alright, anyway. Just for the long and short, whatever. Just come back. Alright, boss? Zine, sir?
If I say yes, say yes.
Awesome.
Tomorrow me shout you and make you know what really have gone.
Anyway, me have to go get back because, trust me. Come on, my brother. I got it.
Yeah, evening. Yeah, me that call it earlier. Come and tell us something. Do you want to talk to you? No, okay, they leave a message from my phone and say, right, so me that make you know, so me not gonna bring in as much money like me used to. No, me not make enough money last week either. No, car watch. You send 7 people to me, right? And out of the 7, 3 alone pay. And one of them bring silver. No, me not take a thing for joke, but me I tell us that me not make enough money. And out of the look what me make for the 3 clients, them, me not know what to give outside. Because if me give money outside, me go left broke. But just hope you can understand from my point of view. We not make no money. Me not take a thing for joke, me I tell us that me not make no money. So what I must do? Because I plan to keep that for myself and then try to work up back something. 3 clients alone pay, 1 bring silver, so you can say 2. And the money that? Alright.
So babes, you're not calling me. What do you mean by you're not calling me? Auntie not there, you know? Just ease yourself and come check my man. You know what
Hey, hold on.
Wait there, babes.
Hang on.
How dare to come and disturb my call? Who is you?
Tia, you know my mommy?
Tia? Me not remember you from nowhere.
A booby man.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Are you?
Yeah, I mean same one.
Lord God. What? What on? What you are doing here?
What do you mean by what me I do here? Them be no booby man.
I know me can't believe say you no believe auntie say Bobby sell her banana them. And when me say banana, you know what me I talk about.
Hey, stop it, you know. About banana. It's not no banana. Listen to me now. It's propaganda spreading.
So when you are going around a yard?
Not gonna look for booby.
Nobody go around there. Auntie no want to see you.
So hold on. What you say? Booby round there or she down there round?
She not round there. What happened to you, sir?
Wait a minute, she soon come back?
Me no know. I was sleeping when she leaves, so I couldn't tell you.
I don't know about she gone in.
You not here, me no know. As you can see me, the phone call and I want to finish so you can leave now.
So me can't go look if she come back.
No, you can't leave. She's not around. But you go, she not round there.
I don't want to see. No booby, you know.
Come back later then because she not around the more after the phone call.
I tell her, I'm sorry. I don't know. Here.
Alright,
I'm gonna go fix it.
A little word for you. Go on, man.
Please.
Alright.
Sorry.
Oh, God. Babes are still there? I'll make my man hang up.
me we just left and gone, so. Yeah. Brother, I see a tree miss calling, but I couldn't call him back. I never no credit at the time. Because I drop off some fruits down a Briscoe. But if a year I go Briscoe to baseball. They say no business about Briscoe. Alright. How happened? They say link you up. Yo, I'm not done tell you say yo, I'm not have the money there, the $5,000, you have to just call it quit. Eh? And that you want to talk about? But brother, I don't have the money for get no man. If that's the case. Alright. Me go take a shower and then yeah. Alright, me a forward. You can come. Alright. Yeah, look come on. Keisha, I so call her back. I so call her back, man. Me a forward. Just stay upon the location. Me a come. Don't move from this. Alright. Yeah, man, I don't have much time in this, so run that now, because I have to go check next girl and so.
I know much, you know. Me tell you by phone I say I know much.
No, but you gotta tell me that it's like you tell me say, I'm not gonna get enough money. I'm not gonna get no money. What? What you mean?
You keep on asking me mean and we have the conversation over the phone and I explain to you I say I nah make no money in the on the road. The
Indian. Alright, just give me what you make. I'm go on, because I have to move now.
Give everything I'm make?
Give me what you give me, go on. I must have joke this. Indian, what this?
Me tell you say I know much.
Indian.
Are you cleansing my the problem?
Hold on, listen what I say. You know how much money me invest in this business?
You know how much strength I put in this business.
Hold on.
Me I do my best.
You see when I get client, me I lend them money. You see this client here, $5,000 me lend him. So if me get back 3, that means I lose 2 and I make no profit on it.
Give me back.
Me no make no profit on it. So how you gonna come give me 3 grand? Me know say find you Indian for you go in one room, you make money. Cause you're not easy, you know. You're terrible, you know. Indian.
Me no make no money. Me I tell you so when I client them bring silver alone.
Indian, you go around me. And listen me. Listen me now. No? You better you eat little and eat long. Because I'm going to stop your client. You better work with the other girl. Don't stop work with you. Because you come tell me about man can silver. Nothing go so. Because for them say, yo, money you go spend. Anyway.
You're going like you don't want the money, look at, but if you don't want to give me back, because me work hard for it, so.
I mean, then what me in a business for? No make money in there.
Then why you complain if I that me make
but
a that
Indian,
me make?
Hey, listen me now, man. Me vexing them, man. Yo, you hear me?
You just a complain if you not give me back buy me a drinks then now. I will like that me again now. Come now.
Yo, you thirsty?
Yeah.
Give me back 5 bills. Give me back 5 bills out. Hold on, give me back your 5 bills out. You see say your money?
Really? After me tell you say me not make nothing? You don't feel like I tip them, I'm not supposed to give them a tip?
Yeah, alright, man.
Alright.
Bro, you're there, man. What go on? So you say, bro, like I come to your senses, man. What go on? What means bro here?
Yeah, me I say, see?
Hey.
You're my brother.
Yeah.
I'm not disrespect you, I'm not let you down certain way, but I can't take it offer.
Me can't come back and come work.
So hold on. So you couldn't, you really, when you come at night now, you know?
Yeah, because I try to call your phone. You're supposed to tell me to call your phone.
Yeah, but you don't know the system all over now work good, you know?
You know that man that I reason about say ask me about.
So you just come and tell me say you're not.
Me can't take it because you know. Me not feel like I want to work for nobody right now. You see, working for employers, them kind of stuck in one way and make, you know, me not intolerance there again.
But me ask you something.
Can't go back in and no work like that.
Listen, every man want independent. But me I tell you, is it working out for you, boss?
It will work out at some point.
Yeah.
Like, listen to me, I said, man, I just some hiccup are going right now and stop demotivate me for kind of build my own boss.
Alright, calm down, brother. You're behaving too arrogant. Just calm down. What you say now?
Pressure about spy, but that me I tell you, right now, me can't do this no more. Me come in a place, I must feel irritable because there's too much memories.
Listen, man.
Too much memories, bro.
You did boy, you turn farmer and a turn. To me know say you never have no knowledge of that. All of a sudden you're a farmer.
Yeah, because that's all I've said at some point.
You just turn farmer so. Yeah. And listen. Well, I don't know if you tell you this, but you need to cut out a certain things because every time I see up on car and all over bridge and anything, then me get them news there, you know, so you need to leave the ear bank. Because you deposit in a bank and you not get no return. You understand what I mean? You need to leave the ear bank, man.
Alright.
Zin, sir.
Alright, sir. That if I got you, I worry about it.
I don't say me I worry about, but I should. So you just need to cut off a certain lifestyle. And but I think I come back, come to me say, boy, yo, you change your mind, but well, I tell you.
No, I say what I respect me, I tell you, because even when Bridget knows something, saying you want to talk to me about some stuff, I mean I rush to chat here now. You understand what I say?
Anyway.
So, you remember Luca Bush?
Who?
Luca Bush.
Mm-hmm.
I am saying you want to reason about certain things, no reason man.
Who?
Luca Bush. You are linked over now, him saying you want to chat to me about something, you know.
Oh, so it all makes sense now. You know where the kind of work Luca Bush do, man. Them man did everything wrong and them man they have him. Anyway, have a nice life.
Brother, we talk, yeah?
Yeah, man, have a nice life. Because you come like you can make up your mind where you want. Yeah? Alright, boss. Go on, my brother. I will see you. You'll come back, man. You shall come back. Watch and see. You wait and see. You'll come back. Christ, why not tell you?
General, gotta take my car in, man. So you go, man. Yeah, man, everything I pass.
No, you say bygones be bygones.
Bygones be
So
bygones.
that's how we there.
Alright, so you are going now. As me there tell you on the phone, so me nah no space down there. And the little empress are coming down from town. So, as you're the man and I know, man. So, me make sure be laugh with the free night. Because I know more than happy for that. You can have her for the whole night. You understand what I say?
No,
free of cost.
Brother, I want thing with
Bobby,
fear
no
woman
bother
them.
with
Because, listen to me, I say. Look at Bush. Hear this out loud. You see, based upon the last experience, me no feel some more experience, no more experience.
Bobby, listen
Because experience teaches experience.
Well,
I mean,
listen, man. Me never know so that everyone that thief. You see this one? He's fresh and young in that business. I'm going to do a background check on him. He's good, man.
you know, you say no. How are they?
You know, say that easy. Listen to me now, man. Because some start employ them now. They have to have them papers.
So make sure I bounce.
She's good, man. Nice girl, believe me, man. Listen to me, man. Believe in me, man, Bobby, man. Look at him. Bobby, you see 5 grand? Keep it.
That you have to sell long time.
Yeah, man. So you want now, princess, come in now.
She coming.
Yeah.
She was good to you.
How are you, man? So this is my virgin Bobby, meet Bobby. No, can't shake hand, man. It's a good youth like that, man.
We are even Mustafa.
No.
A good height, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. So you want now, take care of yourself tomorrow, yeah? And listen to me now. Yeah, Punsi. Listen to me now, Punsi. Just do what I say to do, not do otherwise. Remember what I say to do? Behave yourself, right? Yeah. So, Bobby.
Oi.
Oh, what is man?
Yeah, smile like a what this man.
What you want?
What me say me want?
I don't understand why you wake me up.
Alright, me a wake you up, here. You're there and you feel like say you're there, yeah. Cause a business you come for. And whole night me no get nothing at all.
Wait. What you mean business? Make sure you tell Luka Bush me no come here for this you know. What you mean business?
What you mean you tell Luka Bush you no come out?
Listen, the reason why I'm there is because me and my man vex because when me dey on the phone me talk to somebody else. I'ma make sure tell Luka Bush this. And first of all, me not cheat for my man. You must know.
What you mean you not cheat for your man? Wait,
Me did stutter when me say it that's a while ago. Me did stutter.
so now you tell me say you not cheat for your man and you come in my yard and a business we supposed to do. Eh? You collect my money last night, you know. And when you take the money, you say me first go brush my teeth, wash my face and come back. When me come back, you fast asleep. All me a box in your head back, you can't wake up.
I was tired.
You laugh, you think I joke business?
Come on.
Let me say you was tired. Hey, you're not my wife, you know. You're not my woman.
Stop. No, me never tell. Make sure I tell Luka Bush say, watch out. You know I'm come here, you know, so I don't know where you get your business
What
from.
you mean, say me
I'm
know?
not come here about business.
Alright, so what you plan for? You plan to come out now? Or you plan to left no hour because me can't have a woman in my place.
Yeah, well, go on alright. When you come back, we will tell you if things can go on, if me and my man live or not. Because we live on bad too. So just go on work and, you know.
Me should go to work.
Yeah, that me just say.
And you ask about smile to your face like your face is a joke thing.
Because it's funny. It's funny.
Look at Bush. Why you set me
I
look
mean,
at Bush?
talk. What you mean, Luka Bush?
You know what I do?
Mm.
Saying because sometimes the Almighty send some situation we have to just work with the situation. Me I go and work and fall
Okay
back.
then.
What about you now?
I say I'm upset from last night. Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
You upset for what?
The last time I come from work, I get robbed.
sorry for hearing that.
What you mean?
And when I visit you, I don't know who robbed you.
That's all I have to say?
So,
And when me come last night,
alright, you report it?
report it to
The police?
me not report it. Talking about police, I want to know if you still have the link there to the police. Because I need to figure out who. I want back my money.
You don't need no link to no police, just go down to the station and
I'm not going
report
to the station. I want your friend because I don't want to deal with like that.
So hold on, so you don't want police to deal with, you want gunman to deal with it?
Your friend a gunman? Give me your number.
No, I'm a police, that's what I mean.
So give me your number.
You know do them the type of work, yeah, police work. You know,
Give me your number, save me.
Plus, me not give no
want
man
my
number.
money.
Me not give no man number.
What do you mean?
Just go down, listen, simple. Just go down to the station and go file a report.
So why you can't help me out?
Yeah, go on, me and the police, I'm help you out.
Last time I come
Alright, you know who robbed you?
It no matter. I want the man number.
I'm tired, me not have sleep good last night.
You didn't sleep good last night in front. You sleep the whole night. Come back to this morning and you still hurt yourself,
Yeah, come. Yeah, I don't want to talk about that. You what happened? Or maybe I'm hungry. You what happened? Me go search and find out if I still have your number.
Me know you have your number.
So
You just don't want to give me.
Yeah, make it thing complicated. Just go down to the station and report.
Me no want to go down to the station. I want you give me the number so I can sort out something for my own. I no want to go to the station and make that report. You don't understand if for the year money gets into your station and you have links.
Listen, I tell you, if my police friend don't really do them type of business there. If it's something illegal you want to do or something somebody you want to get shot or whatever.
Illegal.
Yeah, but if you're a conversational lead and if you're his son, so his son. Hold on. No, everything kind of just have soak up in our brain. Where you go last time to get robbed?
No work. Where me go? When me left, so me gonna work. What kind of dumb question you ask about me? I gotta work when me come back, me get robbed. I want your help. For you there to start on the foolishness about gas station.
When me done, me give you a number.
Why me can't get it now?
My phone turn off the charge.
Me can't go through my day without knowing say me have somebody from this assault it out. Me want the number now to make the
You
call.
know, me think you know this, man. And me don't want you feel like say, me not believe you and say get robbed, or me I try to make things complicated. But these are some of the questions there. I just say if you alright, you want to ask say. You get robbed when you come from work or when you go to work.
In the night when me and come from work.
And I close to the supermarket and I get robbed or far from it.
Why it no matter? It matter?
But them there are details are important, you know. Them the question the police
You
are
tell me
asking.
to gas station. If my gas station, me give them details. Where you no question. Listen, man.
But if me give me bedroom number, them the thing they more ask you.
Well, if me tell him, I tell you about what me say. No, everything's supposed to be classified. When me tell him,
all right,
question me tell him I want the number.
When my phone don't charge, we give you and you call him. One more question. What time is supermarket lock?
Me not see why me big woman sitting and have you question me now. Where you question me?
Yeah, you want me help, but you don't want me ask you.
Me no want to help more. You give me one simple number. Just give me the number. 7 digits. I help that. No question. You know, put money in my pocket for you there to start question me. If I ask you for 5 grand, I can't get it. If I don't get it next week. When I want it now. No question. Me I do what me I do for make my money do question.
Okay, alright.
Me go get the number or not.
My phone in this charge, so just go take out the number.
I go send everything. Move your foot.
I want to go on here, so.
Let me say what I'm going to Yo, let me tell you this. This a situation now working out.
No, so we take our shutter, come to
When you take off shutter condo?
dirty pervert, what you mean by?
What do you mean dirty pervert?
No, I come go on my yard no, cause I not tolerate them foolish.
You better you come out and that's if you do.
So now that man do what you mean? You take our shirt and I come to... Hey, I keep...
Give back my money though. More about my money.
Push money. You have to go fight me that this week. Push money. What you mean? Hey, you better not ramp with me that this week.
You want me money?
I know that touch me, man, a bad man. You know, I'm not going down at Tivoli. Ramp with me, I'm going to call my man, you know.
Come on, please.
Come on.
Come on, please.
Touch me, no? Back home.
Come on. Me not touch you. Come on to my house.
Better not touch me.
One criminal you no be.
Go away.
Yo, look at Bush. Right now, if you know or you mash up my weekend, brother. Me I tell you that. You mash up my weekend. Yo, this a what? Yo, what you mean calm down? Calm down how? Calm down for who? For you? Me not calm down for you. Me I tell you say right now. Anyway, me say you have to give me back my money. Me give her 15,000 last night. Woman fall asleep. Say, him have. Honey, wake up that man and say she have man. Eh? And she don't cheat. What kind of style that, brother? Eh? You know, see, I try to take me, yo, you try to tell me, say, a fool and look at Bush. I mean, yo, you know, it's a pressure bus pipe. I don't know if you know that. And right now, a big pressure go on, yo. Know yourself, man. We must see if you talk to you 1 hour. I need my money. We need my money, and that me I talk about.
You subscribe yet?